This is a 7x16 PJ Trailers Low Pro dump trailer. It's got an all steel frame, 14,000 pound G.V.W.R. Front, you have an adjustable 2 5/16 inch bulldog coupler. Comes with tandem Dexter 7,000 pound Easy Lube hub axles. Let's have a 5-year warranty on them. This is a 6-leaf slipper spring suspension, 16-inch white spoke wheels, 16-inch radial tires. There's an electric brake kit with a charger. All the tape on this model is DOT reflective. Has tread plate steel fenders. The front has a lockable toolbox which houses your pump and battery. Back you have a 2-way gate with barn doors and a spread gate. This also has slide-in channel ramps. On the inside you have 4 welded to the box D-ring tie downs. It's got a 40-degree dump pitch, a 12-volt hydraulic pump. So it has a roll-up tarp. The sides and bed are 10-gauge steel. The sides are 40 inches high. The bed is 83 inches wide. Comes with all DOT approved flush mount lifetime LED lights, sealed wire harness, and a 7-way RV plug. This also has stake pockets. The trailer itself has been sandblasted, acid washed, and powder coated. Comes with the Interstate Deep Cycle battery, and the axles, as stated, have a 5-year warranty. Give us a call, 863-66-RIGHT, or visit us anytime at righttrailers.com.